The allure of Jamaica, with its pristine beaches and vibrant culture, extends beyond mere tourism. Many dream of owning a piece of this paradise. The real estate market, brimming with potential, presents a unique landscape. Negotiation in this market isn't just important, it's essential. Unlike standardized transactions, Jamaican real estate thrives on personal interactions. Understanding cultural nuances, building relationships, and navigating local customs are paramount. This is where negotiation skills become your most valuable asset. They empower you to bridge gaps, build trust, and secure favorable outcomes. Imagine yourself at the negotiating table, the Caribbean sun casting a warm glow. On one side lies your dream property, on the other, a successful negotiation. It's not just about winning, it's about finding a mutually beneficial agreement. This requires a delicate dance of strategy, empathy, and unwavering confidence. This essay delves into the heart of real estate negotiation in Jamaica. We'll explore essential qualities, advanced strategies, and the power of persuasion. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer, these insights will equip you to navigate the market with confidence and finesse. Confidence is your foundation. Believe in your goals, your research, and your ability to secure a fair deal. Projecting confidence, not arrogance, commands respect and encourages open communication. Remember, a confident negotiator inspires trust. Strategic thinking is your compass. Before entering any negotiation, define your objectives clearly. What are your non-negotiables? What are you willing to concede? Having a plan allows you to anticipate challenges and respond effectively. Adaptability is your strength. The Jamaican real estate market is dynamic. Be prepared to adjust your approach based on the situation and the people involved. Listen actively, observe non-verbal cues, and be willing to shift gears if necessary. Patience, finally, is your virtue. Rushing the process can lead to costly mistakes. Exercise patience, allowing the negotiation to unfold naturally. Remember, a successful outcome often takes time and persistence. Mastering the fundamentals is crucial, but taking your skills to the next level requires advanced techniques. Specialized training, for instance, can provide invaluable insights. Consider courses on negotiation tactics, real estate law, and cultural sensitivity. Analyze your past negotiations. What worked well? Where did you face challenges? Learning from experience is paramount. Identify patterns in your successes and failures to refine your approach and avoid repeating mistakes. Thorough preparation is non-negotiable. Research the property, the seller, and the local market extensively. Gather data on comparable properties, recent sales trends, and any factors that might influence the negotiation. Remember, knowledge is power. The more prepared you are, the greater your advantage at the negotiating table. This preparation will not only boost your confidence, but also equip you to make informed decisions. Section 4. The art of asking, unlocking value through insightful questions. Effective negotiation is a dialogue, not a monologue. Asking insightful questions is crucial to uncovering information, understanding motivations, and building rapport. Open-ended questions in particular can be powerful tools. Instead of asking, "Is the price negotiable?" try, "What factors did you consider when setting the asking price?" This approach encourages the seller to share their perspective, potentially revealing valuable information. Use questions strategically to guide the conversation, uncover hidden concerns, and identify areas of potential compromise. Remember, the goal is to gather information, build understanding, and work towards a mutually beneficial agreement. Mastering the art of asking insightful questions will not only make you a more effective negotiator, but also foster stronger relationships and build trust throughout the process. Section 5. Persuasion, influencing outcomes in your favor. Persuasion in the context of negotiation is not about manipulation. It's about effectively communicating your needs, understanding the other party's perspective, and finding common ground. It's about creating win-win situations. One powerful persuasion technique is framing. How you present information can significantly influence perceptions. For example, instead of focusing solely on the price, highlight the unique features and benefits of the property. Another effective tactic is to find and highlight shared interests. Do you and the seller both value environmental sustainability? Perhaps you're both passionate about supporting local businesses. Emphasizing common ground can foster a more collaborative atmosphere. Remember, persuasion is about building bridges, not walls. By understanding the art of influence, you can guide the negotiation towards an outcome that benefits all parties involved. Section 6. Sharpening the edge. Negotiation mastery is an ongoing journey. Mastering real estate negotiation in Jamaica is not a destination. It's a journey. The market is constantly evolving, and so too should your skills. Embrace continuous learning, seeking opportunities to refine your approach. Attend industry events, network with experienced investors, and stay abreast of market trends. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of Jamaican real estate. Remember, knowledge is your most valuable asset. Negotiation is both an art and a science. It requires a delicate balance of strategy, empathy, and cultural sensitivity. By continuously honing your skills, you can confidently navigate the market, secure favorable deals, and make your Jamaican real estate dreams a reality. So, embrace the challenge, stay informed, and never stop learning. Your journey to negotiation mastery starts now. The beautiful island of Jamaica, with all its potential, awaits.